Welcome to Python Essentials. Today, we'll dive into the world of Python programming by uncovering the mysteries of the interactive shell. Let's begin. Imagine having a conversation with Python, where you speak in code, and Python responds immediately. That's the interactive shell. It's a command line tool that lets you write and execute Python code one line at a time. Why chat with Python, you ask? The interactive shell is perfect for experimentation. Test your code, debug, and see results instantly without running a full program. The shell isn't just for beginners, it's a powerful ally for seasoned pros too. It encourages learning by doing, which is crucial in programming. Let's get hands-on. Open your shell and follow along. Type print hello, Python, and press enter. Now, assign a variable, x equals 10, then print x dot. You've started a dialogue with Python. With the interactive shell, the conversation never ends. Keep practicing, and you'll unlock the full potential of Python programming. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python essentials, and happy coding. Until next time, keep the code flowing.